How to find hidden system application or show system apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung devices. By default, you can only see the third-party application on your device. Go to settings on your device, scroll down until apps. Here you can see apps, tap on it. Now here you can see the your apps. By default, only show the default available application on your device or downloaded application on your device. If you want to show the all system application on your Samsung device or any other Android device, you need to allow the show system application setting on your device. So tap on the three dots or three line here. You can see in front of the your apps. Tap on it. Now here you can find the show system apps option on your device. So make sure to go on this option to show the available system application. You can also filter by all, install by you, enable or disable, or sort by the name, size, last used, last update. So select the option. Here we select the last use. Tap on OK. Now here you can see the list of all application you install, including download application or system default application. Here you can see the your apps 514. So when you disable it and you can check, you can see the only 126 apps. So quite easy to find the hidden system application on your Samsung latest Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.